Welcome to the Beginner Learning Path for LinkedIn. This course will equip you with the essential skills and knowledge needed to establish a strong personal brand on LinkedIn and become a successful content creator. Throughout the course, we'll delve into LinkedIn's features, optimize your profile, create engaging content, set realistic goals, and harness the power of community. Building your personal brand will require time, effort, and consistent action. With the lessons and strategies provided in this course, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals on this dynamic and exciting platform. Let's get started. If you're currently on LinkedIn, then you probably know that it's become one of the most useful digital networking platforms out there. It's been a while since you logged in and you think of LinkedIn as that place where you put your resume 5 years ago. You've got a lot to catch up on. LinkedIn was initially a platform for job seekers. It was all about resume building and connecting with potential employers, but it has evolved into so much more. LinkedIn has become one of the most popular social networking platforms since it was acquired by Microsoft in 2016. Its primary focus is professional networking and career development. Much like other social media platforms, LinkedIn revolves around your feed, made up of content based on your connections, follows, and the activity of people in your network. Users can post updates, articles, and engage in discussions with others on the platform. Unlike other social media platforms, which are built around family, friends, and lifestyle, LinkedIn is for work, business, and career. Here are just some of the people emerging on the platform and building audiences of millions. Business and thought leaders such as Richard Branson, Ryan Reynolds, Gretchen Rubin, and Ariana Huffington. Influencers and creators like Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, Anne Hanley, Danny Duncan. And entertainers and athletes like Odin Beckham, Shaquille O'Neal, Jennifer Lopez, and Conan O'Brien. But LinkedIn is not about celebrities. It's about professionals working in sales and business development, startup founders, solopreneurs, and everyday people in all levels of business looking to advance their careers. It's about everyday, hard-working people like you. LinkedIn is your portal to career advancement. It allows you a forum to interact with colleagues, potential employers and partners, recruiters, fellow creators, business leaders, mentors, and a multitude of other valuable connections. Consistent and relevant posting on LinkedIn is an important step in thought leadership, which means leveraging your expertise to become a recognized authority in a specific field. It's a place for you to display your professional skills to a wider audience. It's more than just social media. It's your showcase that will help you build your own personal brand. LinkedIn's professional angle makes it unique, but there's something else that makes it stand out. The engagement rate on LinkedIn is significantly higher on average than other social media networks. Usually a good engagement rate is thought to be 2%, but on LinkedIn, they often go up from 2% to 5 and 6%. I've seen this myself. While LinkedIn may have less active users than the social media giants, the users are more engaged with the content. And from a professional point of view, that's exactly what we're after. We're building our thought leadership, we're building our personal brand.